Dear students, in this video we will discuss again Gauss forward difference interpolation formula, because in previous video the quality was not good. Fine. So here Newton's Gregory forward formula will be used to develop this Gauss forward difference. This is the first central difference formula. To develop this, we will use Newton's Gregory forward difference formula. This was the Newton's Gregory forward difference formula. F of x naught plus uh is equals to this. We have already discussed the derivation of this formula. Fine. What is the problem? Problem is that you can understand the problem. This is, for example, the difference table. If the desired value is nearby top of the table, then generally we will apply the forward difference formula, Newton's Gregory forward difference formula, and then you can cover up all the columns, so that error is very minimum. If desired value is nearby the bottom of the table, then you generally apply the backward difference formula, then you can cover up all the columns, again error is minimum. But suppose the desired value is nearby center of the table and you are applying forward difference formula, then we are having too much difference. This difference between the top center and the desired value, there is a difference which will create the error. Second thing is that suppose you are considering this as a center and you are applying forward formula, then you have to take this diagonal, and you can see that you are not able to cover up all the columns, then again this will cause the error. Similarly, if you are following the backward difference formula, then you will cover up only up to these columns, and again you are unable to cover up all the columns, so again creates the problem. So to handle this type of problem, we are having central differences. So we will consider the center as the origin point, and then we will follow zigzag path. Zigzag means forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, or backward, forward, backward, forward, or combination of these two. So that's why we are having 4 formulae. So here is first formula is Gauss forward. Here this is forward, that means the initial step is in forward direction, that's why this is forward. If initial step is in backward direction, then we are having Gauss backward. Fine. So here what is our strategy? Our strategy is to develop a formula in which we will start our method in forward step. So here we will start. So suppose this is our center, rather than this or this, let us say this is as our center, and that's why we have allocated u as 0 here, then and taking the differencing as 1. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, this is our 0, then 1, 2 and 3. So we will consider as this as our center, and we will take forward step initially, then backward, then forward, then backward, then forward, and then backward, and you can see that we have covered up all the columns. Fine. So this is our strategy in this formula. So what will be the formula then? Formula is derived with the help of Gregory forward difference formula. So here x naught is considered as 0, h is considered as 1, and what is our u? You aware about that, x minus x naught by h, because here we are using Newton's Gregory forward. For this we are having u is equal to x minus x naught by h. So x minus x naught is 0 divided by 1, so x. So u is equals to x. Fine. So here f of u, because x from here, u h plus x naught is nothing but x. So this is x. X is equals to, and x is equal to u. So that's why this is f of u is equals to f naught plus u delta f naught plus u into u minus 1. So just substitute this value in this equation, so we get this equation. But here is a problem. What is the problem? Problem is that our path is this. So first term should be f naught. So f naught is first term, no problem. Second term is delta f naught. Here we are having delta f naught, again no problem. But here is a problem. Here we are having del 2 f naught However, the requirement is that there should be delta 2 f of minus 1. Similarly here is f del 3 f naught. However, the requirement is that delta 3 f of minus 1, and so on. So this second order onwards we are having problem. To resolve this problem, we will make use of this operator. So what here we have, because we know that del 3 f of minus 1 is equals to del 2 of minus 1. With the help of this forward difference operator, this can be written as, because this is your function, so function at minus 1 plus, here we have assumed h as 1, so minus 1 plus 1 will be 0 minus del 2 f of minus 1. From here you can find out delta 2 f naught, because here is delta 2 f naught. So this is nothing but this, delta 2 f of minus 1 is this. So now we will replace this value by this value, so that we will have delta 2 f of minus 1. Fine. Now operate, because second order onwards is a problem, so that's why we have to again apply shift operator, forward difference operator delta. So we get delta 3 f naught is equal to delta 4 f of minus 1 plus delta 3 f of minus, and so on. Again apply delta operators, fourth order difference. Now substitute these values in equation number 2. So we get this equation. Simplify this procedure, this calculation. So what we get? We get this equation. After simplification, we get this equation. Again there is a problem, because this is our path. So here we have f naught, no problem. Here is delta f naught, no problem. Here is delta 2 f of minus 1, delta 2 f. Here is delta 3 f of minus 1, yes, no problem. But here is a problem. Here is a problem. Delta 4 f of minus 1, but requirement is that there should be delta 4 f of minus 2. So now to find out this, we will use this delta 5 f of minus 2, which can be written as delta 4 f of minus 1 minus delta 4 of f of minus 2 with the help of forward difference operator, just like previous which we have done here. From here you can find out delta 4 of f of minus 1, which is equal to this. Again apply the operator, forward operator, so we get this result. Now substitute these values in this equation, so we get this. After simplification or assembling all the similar kind of terms, we have this formula, which is known as Gregory forward difference formula. Now to remember this formula, you have to take care of two things. One is, this formula starts from 0 and there is a pairing. Pairing means this term is f naught, this is also f naught. This term is f of minus 1, this term is also f of minus 1. So two pairs. तो दो के pair बने हुए हैं. Here we have del 4 f of minus 2, del 4 f of minus 2. Order is increasing term by term. Here is single order term, here is second order, here is third order, here is fourth order, here is 5 order. Another very important thing is that here first term is u, this is 1 f naught, this is u. Now u is multiplied by u minus 1, then by its conjugate u plus 1, then this term is multiplied by the conjugate by the u minus 2, then in the next term this term is multiplied by its conjugate u plus 2, and so on. So alternately plus minus is multiplied. So this is the approach, and when you are plotting the table you will get this type of path. So forward backward, forward backward, forward backward, and you can cover up all the table. Fine. So this is the Gauss forward formula. Thank you.